Here we're going to look at another type of transformation, the transformation f of x minus a. The function we're going to use is x squared, so f of x is x squared, and we're going to look at x minus 2 squared, so our transformed function is f of x minus 2, which is x minus 2 all squared. Note here x, and it's the x that's squared, and here x minus 2, so it's the x minus 2 that's squared. If we compute the table of values, minus 3 squared we know is 9, minus 2 squared is 4, and so on. 0, 1, 4, and 9. For the x minus 2 squared, minus 3 take away 2 is minus 5, and then square minus 5 to get 25. For minus 2 take away 2 is minus 4, and squared is 16. For minus 1 take away 2 is minus 3, which if we square is 9. Put 0 in and we get minus 2 squared, which is 4. For 1 take away 2 is minus 1, which squared is 1. If we substitute 2 in, 2 take away 2 is 0, 0 squared is 0, and finally for 3 take away 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. If we compare the two tables of values, it appears that the bottom row is a shift of the top by 2 units to the right. Here we have the table of values again, and we know that the bottom row appears to be a shift of 2 to the right compared to the top row. Here we have a graph, and plotting x against x squared gives the red curve, so the red curve is y is x squared. Plotting x against x minus 2 squared gives the blue curve, so the blue curve is y is equal to x minus 2 squared. We can see on the graph, as well as from the table, that this appears to be a shift of 2 units to the right. So summarizing, it appears that f of x minus 2 is a shift of 2 units to the right compared to f of x. Here we have another pair of curves to compare. This one is y is x cubed, and this one is y is x plus 1 cubed. So here our f of x is x cubed, and so f of x plus 1 is x plus 1 cubed. Notice here x cubed, and here x plus 1 cubed. If we look at the graph, we can see the blue one appears to be a shift of the red one 1 unit to the left. We can see this by looking at various points. So f of x plus 1 is a shift of 1 unit to the left. We can now generalize what we've seen in this section by saying that f of x minus a is a shift of a units to the right, and we saw f of x minus 2 was a shift of 2 units to the right, and f of x plus 1 was a shift of 1 unit to the left.